White Data traffic, 233 is left downwind 18 White County.
Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie is departing to the northwest, Lewis. Departure, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, VFR with request.
November 197 Mike Charlie, Chicago, go ahead.
197 Mike Charlie would like to request VFR flight following to the Madison Mike Sierra November Airport.
7 Mike Charlie, Roger, squawk 5150.
5150.
That was 2289, descend to maintain 4000.
4000, that was 2289.
That was 2201, traffic just departing Midland will be southbound climbing at 3737, 12 o'clock at 5 miles.
Southwest 2201 traffic today.
First level 2389, lift you out of 2.2 for 3000.
2389, Chicago departure, radar contact. Company traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles northeastbound at 4000. 197 Mike Charlie, radar contact, 2 miles northwest of Lewis at 2900, the altimeter 2996, and SAE type aircraft.
172.
Thank you.
Mike Charlie gets 4500.
7 Mike Charlie, you're cleared in the Class Bravo airspace up to 4,500.
4,500 cleared to the Bravo. 47 Mike Charlie.
Number 7 Mike Charlie, contact Rockford approach 121.0. Kayak 197 Mike Charlie, contact Rockford approach 121.0. Dallas 146, flying 120, commenting 15,000. Saratoga 6 Papa Whiskey, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southeastbound 2000 indicated. Kona 275, traffic 3 north of you, the 737, 3000 climbing high. They'll be turning Nissan here shortly.
We're looking for the 275.
Traffic in sight, Kona 275 will be visual separation.
Thank you. Southwest 146, turn left heading 080. The 6 Papa Whiskey, previous issue traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles southeastbound 1900 indicated. Number 90 Bravo, turn right heading 350, intercept the localizer. The 6 Papa Whiskey, contact approach 125.0. Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie going to Madison, do you copy?
I copy, this is Service 7 Mike Charlie.
7 Mike Charlie, third attempt, call of Rockford approach 121.0.
121.0, sorry about that.
Or is Southwest 146, direct to Lukey. So 90 Bravo, you're 3 miles from Genio, maintain 2,700 to establish clear ILS, runway 2 approach.
Rockford, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, 4,500.
Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, Rockford approach, altimeter 2995, say destination.
2995 headed to Madison.
Rockford Mike Charlie, Rockford, thank you. November 197 Mike Charlie, contact the Madison approach 120.1, let us know your type aircraft and destination. Have a great night.
120.1 for 7 Mike Charlie, and let them know what I'm doing for 7 Mike Charlie. 0.1. Madison approach, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, level 4,500.
Division approach runway 21 or 18. Number 3377, Roger, expect division approach runway 18, all turns lower in 5 miles.
Madison approach, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, level 4,500.
Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, Madison approach, Roger, stay intentions, south 702
2992, and we'd like to make a full stop taxi back at Madison if possible for 7 Mike Charlie.
50 Mike Charlie, Roger, and our base runway 21. Madison wind is 220 at 6. Where were you going after that?
After the full stop taxi back is back to Lima Oscar Tango.
Roger. Mike Charlie, Roger. Mike Charlie, contact tower 19.3.
119.3 for 7 Mike Charlie, thank you. Madison Tower, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, 4,500.
Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, Madison Tower, runway 21, clear for the option.
21 clear for the option for 7 Mike Charlie. And we're going to start down.
Mike Charlie, verify your direct straight in runway 21.
Affirm, just setting up for a base here.
Alright, we sequenced you to the airport. Now you're looking like a tie for a runway 18 guy.
My apologies, we'll speed up if you'd like.
Just continue, we'll have to send you around.
Okay.
work. Can you accept a 1 mile turnout for your next approach?
Yeah, we can take a 1 mile turnout for our next approach for 6 Echo Romeo.
6 Echo Romeo, thanks for the help on a 1 mile final. Execute a climb out and turn right heading into 270. Maintain VFR out of below 3,000.
So at 1 mile final, we will climb and maintain at or below 3,000 for 6 Echo Romeo.
This is Mike Charlie, you're still clear for the option, runway 21.
Still clear for the option. Thank you for South Mike Charlie. Sorry about that.
And 6 Echo Romeo, start that climb out.
On the climb out, 746 Echo Romeo. And we're turning to 270.
6 Echo Romeo, thanks for that.
Anytime, 46 Echo Romeo.
6 Echo Romeo, continue on the 270 heading. Contact departure on 135.45.
Continue on 270 and over to 13545, 746 Echo Romeo.
Tower, can South Mike Charlie exit left here on Mike?
What's up, Mike Charlie? For me, you can turn left at Mike. You're going to be a taxi back?
Yep.
You broke off. Did you say yes?
Affirm.
That's Mike Charlie, Roger. Left to Mike and left at Bravo. Runway 21 taxi via Bravo. Advise when you're ready for departure.
Taxi via Bravo to 2-1. We'll let you know when we're ready for South Mike Charlie.